Honker on her.
Come on, give me some moves. Anyway, Durban, Airbnb. Not in the slightest.
Watergate, let's get inventing.
Reefer, living room. Oh yeah, I opened up some biltong. Gave my dad a nice little handful. He put his hand out. He put it directly on the Airbnb couch to store it for eating.
So?
And then I dropped a piece on the floor, and he ate that too. And then I saw a piece. I don't know why there was a piece.
I put it there.
There was a piece. Oh, the one on the floor he put from the floor.
No, put them all there because you told me to get them off the couch.
Yeah, so he had them on the couch already. Then he put them all on his sweaty ass knee scooter.
They all taste the same.
Anyway, what? That, I don't know why that surprises me. All right. AC. Oh, what's the hertz here, Dad?
What?
Do we know how many cycles?
I can't hear you.
Never mind. Bejeweled light switches all throughout the whole unit.
Friends, and they've got Mozart playing on the harpsichord.
He's watching Barney now.
And Friends.
Oh my God.
Watch the spider out.
All right, here's my room. Yeah, I wonder if that flickering is gonna come out on the video. If it's flickering, it's because I think they have 50 hertz power here. So it's what, 2-something p.m. First time rolling video of all day today. We're really slacking on the vlog content creation, huh? We're never gonna be YouTube famous at this rate. Here we are at the, I forget what it's called. Bird show place in Durban.
That's the same.
Right.
So that usually doesn't make sense.
So maybe can buy account. Can I use Odyssey style and can I look like and you notice and
That's a wingspan. Hi.
When I was a kid, I used to tie fishing flies, and marabou was something we used, but I didn't know where it came from. I knew it was a bird. Well, and they would dye it too.
They were getting approached, they were getting killed for those feathers.
You know any swear words? Go f yourself. So we're here at the Durban Botanic Gardens and we're off-roading it.
Pollinated by bats.
This my neighbor, Nursultan Tuliakbay. He was pain in my assholes. So this is King Shaka International Airport, isn't that right, Dad?
Who was King Shaka? I want to know. We have to look that one up.
So what's the problem here? Why are we still sitting before security?
We got here 3 hours early or plus, but they won't take my bag until 5 p.m. an hour from now approximately.
But once we do get through security, we will have access to a priority pass lounge experience.
Your attention, the airport company South Africa welcomes you to Shark International.
I just went through the metal detector, and that was it.
Yeah.
And it made all kinds of noise.
No shoes, no shoes off.
No shoes off.
No
laptop.
looking at your liquids. None of that crap, right?
Oh, I brought water in.
Oh yeah, and he bought a bottle of water.
Bottle of water, and I said, that's
great. I love this country.